AI in education brings numerous benefits, including personalized learning experiences, efficient administrative tasks, and advanced analytics to track students' progress. It's also paving the way for more inclusive education by providing tools that cater to the needs of students with different learning capabilities. Moreover, AI can be used to automate grading, giving teachers more time to engage with students and enhance the learning process. This technology can also aid in identifying gaps in lectures and educational material, suggesting improvements for more effective teaching. It also offers the potential for global learning, allowing students from different parts of the world to access the same quality of education. AI in education is not just about efficiency and personalization. It also has the potential to reshape the way we approach education, making it more student-centric and tailored to individual learning styles. This is especially important in today's diverse and dynamic classrooms, where the one-size-fits-all approach is no longer sufficient. Beyond these benefits, AI in education is also playing a key role in revolutionizing the way educational institutions operate. By automating administrative tasks, AI frees up staff time, allowing them to focus on more strategic goals. AI-powered predictive analytics can also help institutions understand student behavior, predict future trends, and make data-driven decisions. Additionally, AI can be a powerful tool for enhancing student engagement. Interactive AI-driven learning platforms can adapt to the learner's pace, provide instant feedback, and even use gamification techniques to make learning more enjoyable. In conclusion, integrating AI into the education sector offers a plethora of benefits, from improving the learning experience of students to enhancing the operational efficiency of educational institutions. It holds the potential to transform education, making it more inclusive, personalized, and effective.